But check this out, guys. I just tied this off. That's my Brute Boss. The other end of the pipe is under the water there. And the other end of the pipe is under the water there. And if I walk from what's sticking out of the water, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17. So we've got 17 feet of pipe showing. Let's see if we can bring it up. Here, you want to hold it? Oh my goodness. Oh, it's rebar. Oh my God, it's rebar. That's why. Holy smokes. Look at that. That's like 20 feet of length of rebar. My gosh.